guys. But sir, when me wake up this morning to blood cleanse, I rub my nose. So one more, you know, like when you have cold and like. Anyway, the whole of my nose is a cock up, my love. You see my script have like cement, some normal love. Yeah, I'm up. Today's the 27th of October. I'm recording this on the 27th, but we're watching this on the 29th. We have 2 more days left. I don't have the boys today. I was going to film. I may still film. I'm not sure how I feel about filming because I don't want to put any clothes on. Oh, I was supposed to link up with I was supposed to go to Nauru rather, but I don't know how I'm gonna work out today. I'm in pain. My tummy hurting me. But yeah, I guess I'm just genuinely grateful for you guys. I don't want to make this weird, but whatever. Welcome to the vlog. That's what I want to start saying. I want to start welcoming you to the vlog, and I want to start telling you bye from the vlog. That's what I want to start doing. So welcome to the vlog. Jesus. I should probably go back to sleep because clearly.
And cleaning that up is one of them. I was looking for one specific pair of shoes for this Instagram post, and I had to do all of that to find them, so.
What's wrong? Look at Simone. You're not going to school. Simone not feeling well. I love you. You guys, today's the 28th. No, today's the 27th. Holy crap. Yeah. Yeah. This vlog is going up tomorrow, which means I have nothing planned for them. 28, 29, 30. Today's the 27th. 28, 29. Oh, 28, 29, 30, 31. Today's the 27th. But anyway, today's the 27th. 28, 29, 30, 31. And today's the 20. Oh, whatever. But yeah, so I have the boys this weekend, and so it's going to be like a mom type live type vlog thing, and I'm not sure how I feel about that. I have no content. I might just kind of do the Barber again just for content and for make them ear look a little bit more crisp. But I like them ear the mangoes, but when the mangoes come, I like when them ear. I know. Do it again. Do it again. Hey. Yeah. Bad man. Yeah. So I like when the I'm in my shop kawaii wear robe. Let me show you. I'm in my robe. And it has the tie here. You want to wear a robe? Okay, I'm going to tell Auntie Zawa. Auntie Zawa will make one for you. Because she'll love you. So she'll make one for you. Don't come in the camera way, because when I wash your face, no, stop, Jal, stop. Your face more obvious, no, watch my one in so obvious. Stop, Jal. Don't come in the frame, please. Please. I know you want to stay with me, Jalil, but you're right here. You're the right here, so Jalil. You're not gone, and then I'm a foot to sit down. Just relax, please. But I want to exert so much energy. Can you stop, please? I'm not feeling well. But I'm gonna like when I talk to Jalil and him now. Listen to Jal. Sure. More I'm gonna do my lash them is a shame. I never get a chance for to lash them to blood cleanse. More the skin. Hey, put on the charger. So, and I have the boys this weekend. So it looks like I'm not can get for the until next week. I don't do that. Stop doing that. I don't want you to come in the frame. Stop. I have makeup to do tomorrow, and I have a makeup class to do. And with the makeup classes, I was really hesitant in doing them back because I don't have the space. Which, by the way, I'm gonna do a story. I think I want to go into the whole class thing. Yeah, today's vlog might not be long because I'm pressed for time, but I want to go into the whole class thing and talk about, you're sitting down, good papa, and talk about why I don't do classes anymore, right? So I didn't want to do classes anymore because I had run out of products, right? And I ran out of products because I made a face upon myself, and if I end up use my kid upon me because my products ran out. You see me? So I didn't want to do classes because I didn't have any products. Now stop. Now, in order for me to start back doing classes, I'm going to have to, get products. You see me? Which is all well and good. I can when I charge, I can do a deposit and use a deposit to buy the products. Fine. But another aspect of it now is just where I'm starting from. You have to remember that in my mind, like, I'm Lyric. That's why you guys see me. You guys see me as Lyric. You don't see me as like a regular human being, like that goes through stuff. Even though I really try to tear down that fourth wall and to just show you guys, like, hey, my life. Stop. To show that my life is real. And I even try to edit out some stuff because it might be too real because you're not accustomed to that kind of realism. If you do that again, I'm slapping you. I said that to stop the speaking, I'm doing something. Do you understand me? As soon as I'm finished, I'm coming straight to you. Hear me? Okay? I soon finish. So I have nowhere to do the classes. It's just by my grandma, and you have people coming here. You see me? So I didn't want that. So I have to clear it with her first. Even though it's work, I have to clear it with her first. And another thing too is I am uncomfortable because I just have a room. It's not air conditioned, and I don't want to. But the people who are reaching out to me, it doesn't matter. They just want to learn. I want the environment to be comfortable for you, and for me, this is not comfortable for you, but you don't mind. So I just thank you to those of you who have been. It really feel like I'm starting from scratch with this. Like, it really feel like I'm starting back from scratch, like from having nothing and like legit building up. And to be honest, that comes with its own weight. That comes with its own weight. So yeah, so that's basically what I wanted. I just wanted to let you guys thank you for still wanting to learn from me, even though my place is not, aesthetically pleasing, or it don't look like Lyric or whatever. So I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate. I'm not. I always say I'm not doing makeup anymore, but it looks like I'm back doing it. But it's nowhere near I used to charge. And then even coming back into makeup, there's a lot of things that I'm like thinking to not to start, or to be like the forerunner of. But I want to do things differently even as a makeup artist. So I know that when I come back, then put what on the table? No, you can't put your boxes on the table, Jaleel. My tea? Yeah, of course my tea can go up on the table, Malcolm. Yeah, because when I officially start back, so I'm doing makeup. I haven't officially started back. So when I officially start back, I'm going to there will be a price increase when I officially start back. But for now, it's just 7.5 for anything at all, makeup wise. And if you're a bride, it's 15,000. If you're a bridesmaid, it's 8,500. I provide everything. People always ask me if I provide lash and if I go into contour. People still ask me this question to this day and year 2022. So yes, I do your contour for you, and I have the lashes. If you want your lashes to put on, you can carry that, but it doesn't change your price or rise. The money is still the same. Yeah, I'm starting from scratch, you guys. Oof, and I guess that's what I need to embrace. I need to embrace this side of the journey for myself. Maybe I'm the one that's not embracing it, and maybe that's why I keep talking about it so much, because it makes me uncomfortable. Because that's a thing, and that's why I love doing self-reflection. That's a thing. And I find that I've been projecting a lot, especially in my relationships and these fears that I have. Like, suppose I'm the one that he should be fearing. You know what I mean? Based off, it's just a whole lot to unpack, because in order to survive a traumatic situation, you become like your abuser. Are you aware? So I've been noticing different things and how I could easily react a particular way in order for me to survive that situation, because when he reacted that particular way towards me, he survived that situation because I didn't push it any longer. So now I'm learning from my captor how to deal with other people, from my abuser how to deal with other people, from my narcissist how to deal with other people. That in and of itself takes a conscious knowing without a therapist. Because I tell you, I'm constantly assessing myself, because I'm raising my boys differently. I'm doing my business differently. So I know I have to do it differently. The friendships I've severed, I'm grateful they're severed. I'm so grateful we're no longer friends. You're no longer attached to me. The new friends I have, those are the ones I'll hold closely. And there's a friend I have that says, you're using that effort too loosely, friend. Because friend is still everything that happened in a friend. I'm not use the word loosely, baby. They were friends. But people are assholes, and the heart of man is desperately wicked and deceitful above all things. So when you're satisfied in that fact, when you recognize that truth, then you start to treat people differently. Now, how you treat them, it depends on you as the individual and what you had to survive and go through. But for me, now that I see that, I'm very good at avoiding you. I will have you think that you don't exist. I will have you checking yourself in your compact mirror. If you're in the same place as I am, you will get no acknowledgement from me. I will see through you. That's not just me. That's most of it watching me, because I recognize the girls who I gravitate to are the girl them will still like me. The girl them will say, if them say lyric to blood cleanse, me dead there. And them girl them me realize wherever I comment. I see you, no man. I see you, no. And when I talk to you, no, when I talk to Zawa from Shop Kawaii Wear, oh, she's like me. And that ministered to me, that brought me to tears, because it really felt good to have somebody just say, it's okay, just breathe. And a lot of you have said it to me over the years. And it's more than likely where I am now. Especially when it comes to friendships and meeting people. And because I'm like in my 30s making new friends. Yes, guys, because life happens. Or you're in your 30s and you no longer want friends because you've had your experience. It's fine. Don't negate yourself from what you should experience, because those assholes, they gave you experiences that you did not even want. But let's talk about it. Experiences that we did not want, experiences that would have ruined us or killed us. They gave it to us. They allowed us to experience that. So for the experiences that you have control of, you choose those wisely. For the things that you want.
You can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, you can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, yeah.
The game is strategic, I'm bobbing and weaving. Don't argue with demons, okay? Ain't nothing between us, vacation on Venus. I'm meaning I'm somewhere you ain't, okay? I feel like I'm Jordan when I turn the mic on a dangerous cycle. I make you a rival, I pray for the title. We making the finals, I pray we don't spiral, I pray we don't.
Is you press it, Joe? Is you did press it?
Never you press it.
No, I never you press it. So, Rihanna released new music, and I am all the way here for it. Now the thing is, oh gosh, let me fix my lash. Oh, this lash I look so junky. Let me just Jalila was something on the laptop now. The reason why Rihanna speaks to me, it was very first her business sense. I fell in love with just she would have her own perfume line, and she had the launch with MAC, and I was like, yo, I love this girl. So her music drew me to her, and her business mind allowed me to stay. Rihanna she's who I'm taking my page out of, and what she's doing to me, it feels right, because if I recognize, she is using everything around her to push her. I saw a meme that says, yo, having a baby is so expensive, Rihanna has gone back to work. But one thing I know about anybody that's popular is that they're strategic, because they're always being watched. So they're very strategic. She's doing Super Bowl. She is a part of the Wakanda soundtrack. She has her new music. She is iconic, bro. And I can't wait to meet her one day. I really feel like I'm going to. I genuinely cannot wait to meet her one day and let her know that she is just, yeah, she's it. So yeah, just keep that in mind, okay? Us entrepreneurs, have everything lined up. Be strategic. Yeah, no, I have been talking on here, but there's some stuff. What I'm gonna choose to share anywhere would definitely be on close friends. I have to. Oh, and again, thank you for supporting me on SMILEBRIGHT. Oh God, I don't know how much kits we've sold. The last I spoke to her, it was 7. I will definitely keep you guys updated, because remember, I'm on a mission to sell 150. Once I said that 150, we'll buy the camera, boom. Then we'll fix the laptop, boom. You see me? So, and then we have other stuff coming, boom. I've been talking to some people, boom. Simone's out here working. Yes, Papa?
Guess what? I think I'll maybe some more hours until I get the funds in Blue Stone. And when I get the funds in Blue Stone, I can buy 2 gold chests, but I get to buy a owl and a gold chest.
Okay, I think I'm going to carry to the barber tomorrow, not today, okay? Not like on the ear. Look on the ear, grow back really fast. I'm going to make him cut it down a little bit lower.
Please don't make the ball.
No, I'm not going to ball. Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of this vlog. Is it the end of this vlog? Yeah, it's the end of this vlog. It's a little bit shorter, because I want to have like a longer vlog for you guys, and I'm afraid that my editing may like suffer for it. So do I have any videos? I don't know how you guys feel about throwback videos, because I don't want to like clump up this with stuff, but I'll find stuff for you guys. I'll find. So this might not be the end of the vlog. I don't know if you guys can tell, but when I do my vlogs, I don't like editing. So I film in a way where I don't have to edit, because on days like this I have to rush it and I'm like, just piece them together. But yeah, I'm going to I'm going to figure out how I can, I'm going to figure out some stuff for Final Cut Pro, and then create something for that. But as for today though, I'm staying home today. I'm not, my period really do me away. That time, as I telling them, recognize for the past couple months, it really mashed me up. Excuse me, I don't know when it will be normalized. I don't know when, but yeah. Yes, Simone. No, Look at the rubbish gone. Oh my god, it mashing up the place. The rubbish mashing up the place, Jaleel.
It's mine.
Huh? It's mine.
It's mine.
No, it's not fine. It hurts.
And then put it to touch so I can play. Yeah.